How to restore and fix the mail app has disappeared from your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually restore and then fix if the mail application icon has basically disappeared from your home screen on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, as you can see, there is not the mail app. Now there could be two things that has been happening over here. One is that if the mail app has only been hidden from your home screen, you can still find them from your app library. So if it's hidden from your home screen, just swipe all the way to the right hand side, you'll see app library, and then over here you simply want to actually search for the mail app, and then you can go ahead and open it. But if you want to bring this back to your home screen again, just tap on this icon over here, not the name but on icons, right? So let me just come back and show you. All you have to do is just long press on this icon here, and then you'll find the option called add to home screen. Again, just tap on add to home screen to bring the mail icon back to your home screen, as you can see over here. And this is one way to do it. The other is, chances are that the mail app could have been deleted itself. So open up your app store, and in the search box just type in mail. Once you type in mail, over here you'll most likely find your Apple Mail app. If it has been removed and you see the get button, you can simply re-download them again. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.